Let the wind write my name in rain on every peak that knows no change. Sheep trails fade on Bray and Bend, no beginning, no true end. A croft smoke curls like memory into clouds above the sea. Oh, lift me where the eagles dream, above the heather wide and clean. Let the wind write my name in rain on every peak that knows no change. Beneath the arch of shifting light, the old stones keep their watch tonight. Not waiting, only being whole in silence, fast and uncontrolled. Oh, lift me where the eagles dream, above the